Namaste to all. I am passing through the journey of bereavement as my wife expired due to metastatic colon cancer. And I was the sole caregiver for the last 2.5 years. So she taught me a lot, and that is my respect to the eternal souls who have departed from their bodies and now in air or galaxy. There is my respect to the caregivers, to the bereaved persons also, and those bereaved persons need company, boon company, because this elderly, either elderly or mentally aged, whatever it may be, as I am experiencing for the last 6.5 years, so I feel the essence of bereavement and what is going on. So we know palliative care mitigates suffering for the terminally ill patients, and we know what is grief and what is bereavement. So grief and bereavement is interrelated. Due to grief, bereavement process is there, and we have to accept the bereavement. So here is the adaptation of bereavement, which is the need of the hour. Otherwise, the person will be in depression, will be in isolation, and will suffer from health hazards, and that is not we want. We want a healthy grieving. The person should follow and should exercise. So he should follow the 3 C's: choose, connect, and communicate. So he has to choose whom to share their experience, their feelings, whom to connect, and whom to communicate. So there are some key notes, key suggestions I have given here. And last, listen to music. Music therapy is very important, is an important factor for alleviating the pain of isolation. Palliative care cares bereaved person. Palliative care doesn't stop. Do not have a full stop after the patient's expiry. It continues. The care continues to the bereaved persons and the family. So it may be said that palliative care doesn't limit to the patient's centric. Palliative care extends to the whole centric. And this hinterland of palliative care is such a wide area. And one thing may ask you, that how many of you discuss about death, about the acceptance of death in the family, with the children, with the adult, with the others? I think not so many few. So this is the acceptance. We should have the acceptance policy. Otherwise, we will have depression, we will have health hazards. So this is, I have organized one program. I have invited 78 persons, bereaved persons, at a get together at my flat complex, and they to share their experience, to share their feelings to each other, and ultimately in the last we have arranged music, songs and instruments for their comfort, for their alleviation of pain. So sharing heal pain. That is we know sharing heals pain. So if we don't share, if we are introvert, if we confine myself to me, it will not be helpful. So support is there, support must be there, and without support, a bereaved person will not have a healthy life. So this is home care visit. I have been engaged 2 NGOs, Eastern India Palliative Care, Kolkata, and hospice, Kosis, the hospice at Jharkhand, near Bokaro. So I have seen, I have counseled the cancer patients, caregivers from the ERPC, and now I am moving to Jharkhand to home visit rural elderly, and I am seeing that how the rural elderly, particularly special tribal people, and this foundation has been founded by Dr. Obijit Dam of Bokaro, and I frequently go once a month or twice a month, and I took home visit, and these elderly ladies, being elderly ladies and elderly gentlemen, want us to give company, to sit beside them, to have a chat, and this, what is the smile? The smile is that I receive this gift as a smile of these elders. So these pictures also prove that how they are welcoming us about their pain. Thank you for your patience.
Sir, thank you so much for sharing your experience. I think I'm not qualified, and this presentation is beyond any judgment. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being a patient advocate and for your experiences. Thank you.
I must congratulate you for sharing your rural audience, which have got younger persons with her, and this is a good thing.
I am now 77.
Thank you, sir.
So 77 is that means we are gaining from your experience. It may not be that much for competition, but it is much beyond your competition, the presentation which you put to us.
Thank you.
So I know Deepam also, this hospice also, these people and you are doing very good work, and I must congratulate for your presentation and bringing to the gathering. This is a lesson for everybody that age is no bar for a scientific presentation. Thank you.